Hey guys, welcome. My name is George Nassa. Today, what I'm going to go over is how to make a Celtic band from scratch. So, what we're going to do, we're going to start a new project. We could rename the project by save as, and we're going to call this Celtic bands and save it. Change it up here. We'll go to model, create rotary axis, give it a name Celtic band, American size 10. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to start our ring. Make sure there's nothing here. Make sure you zero the relief. So we're going to draw a band. We're going to make this 8 mm. Create an F9 to center. Make sure you offset this inward. You pick the values, whatever you want. I pick 1.25 inward and offset. Now we're going to raise the relief. The shape editor, I'm going to give it a height 1.75. And apply and select the center. And we're going to subtract this. Okay, so subtract. I want to go down 0.50 mm, and then apply, and then now I'm going to cancel. So now that's what it looks like. Okay, so now we have our band created already. Now what we're going to do, we're going to add our design. So we're going to bring our design. We're going to go to the model. Okay, click on this model here, Celtic, and then we're going to go to the actual bitmap layer, and we're going to bring in the actual bitmap. So make sure not in the layer itself, go to the bitmap and open. And this is the design I found on the internet. Okay, let's shut this. So let's see where our design went. It's right here. Okay. Now we're going to draw our model around that vector. Okay. So let's look at it. It's right here. So we're going to take one of those pieces. We're going to paste it here. So we're going to go to this tool, bitmap to vector. We're going to reduce the color. Make this at least 2. Apply and create. So you notice it created vectors all over every single design. So what we do, we only want one of these designs. So let's shrink this down so we can see it better. So I only want one of these guys, that's it. So take this out of there, and we're going to delete everything else. Okay, so get rid of those, and you could delete this actual layer. You don't even need it. Okay, so what we're going to do, make sure the relief's still there. We're going to take that and F9 and size it to fit inside here. So make sure you maintain that nice look to the actual design. So if that looks satisfying to you. So I like it a little bit off the design. So F9, it's a little bit off the walls here. Right click and group it. So now you can move it around any way you want. Okay. Right click and group. Okay. So take this, move it to the side. We're going to paste this along this vector. So hold the shift key down, select the center line. We're going to go to paste along vector. You might have to play with this number, because it depends. So let's try 12, see how good it looks. So 12 looks pretty good. If you want it tighter, it might overlap one another. You can notice it cut it in half here, which is perfect. And that's pretty much almost our design is done. So let's pick our design. Okay. And we're going to go to shape editor, and we're going to raise this. We're going to add, and let's give this 0.50 and add to the actual design. So make sure this is selected. Apply and cancel. See what happens here. So start height 0.50. Now you can see it. Shut this, and we can give it a little bit of half round and shape it a little bit. Apply and cancel. Okay, this is it. So I hope you enjoyed this. And once you cast this, the background will look nice and textured. Would look really sharp. Okay. So please don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any comments, please don't forget to comment on this. Thank you for watching.